Do you like have any specifications on what you want to like suggest to kids who want to go into manufacturing?
Uh, I found that flexibility is very important.
Start getting hands-on at this age, at a young age. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, working on stuff.
So what do you think like the best part about your job altogether? You've mentioned many things.
I like the fact that you're taking something from someone's imagination and they develop this part, trying to make it to a point where it actually functions.
It's what's so cool about manufacturing, I guess. You just love it so much.